I'm over here feeling like Bumblebee from Transformers. Woo! I'm Bumblebee's girlfriend. That's who I am. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, girl, hey. How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for joining me. We have a nice unit today. Today I have a unit from Bobbi Boss, as you see on my head. And if you want to know about the specs on this unit, stay tuned. Guys, so I'm back and let's talk about this unit. So this is the Bobbi Boss Glueless lace wig, and it's the HD lace, and I have the style Mabel and I have the color NT4 yellow. This is the high definition transparent lace. It's the 13x7 extended lace frontal. So it says HD transparent skin blending lace. Okay. So as you saw, it comes with that adjustable elastic band inside for the extra security. It's supposed to be a glueless unit, so that extra elastic band in the back is supposed to help with securing down the unit. This unit was definitely a challenge. Whew. So this lace, this is a 13x7 lace, so it's supposed to be, you know, it's your free parting lace. Do what you want with your wig lace, like you could part her anyway. I went ahead and part her in the side. You can even put her up like that into a pony. You can do whatever you want with this unit with the 13x7 lace. So now the big hype about this unit, Bobbi Boss has came out with these glueless lace wigs. This one is supposed to be HD transparent lace to blend into your skin. Guys, this is not HD seamless blending lace. All right, they tried. It's a synthetic unit, so kudos to that on a synthetic unit, but there's plenty of reviews out there that other YouTubers have probably mentioned the same thing that I'm probably gonna say, but this unit was very hard to blend. This unit was, the lace was so white. As you saw, I went in with my tinted lace spray and I went ahead and sprayed her down, because when I initially put her on, it was just way too white. Sometimes you can go on with some foundation, some powder, but I just decided to go in with this even tinted lace spray. That seemed to work pretty good. The issue is, like, it was really hard to blend the front of this lace. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing a cast, but I was going back and forth trying to blend this lace. Like right now, it's looking it's looking okay, but I think it was really good with just using the lace spray. But I went in and I saw Kai Rashawn's review, and she went in with some foundation at the end and blended it in with the foundation she was using on her skin. She put her makeup on after and blended it in a little bit after. I already had my makeup on, I already tinted the lace, and then I tried to go in with my foundation and blend it, and that kind of messed it up. My foundation is a little bit orangey, so that's why it's coming off a little bit orangey right now. I mean, it kind of looks good, but I don't know, outside you might see that cast. So that's definitely the issue with this lace. It's a challenge to blend. This is all the lace spray in the parting space though. I put a little bit of powder after to blend it, but I think it looks pretty good. There's some parts that I didn't put the spray, and you could see how white it is. Do you see that? Yeah. But I mean, outside of that, the unit is definitely very, very pretty. This unit I wouldn't recommend for beginners because of the issues with the lace. As far as the cap goes, the cap feels good, but then I don't think it's glueless, because I did have to go in and secure her with some glue. I used my Got2b glue freeze spray, and I found that like cutting it in sections was good with pulling it down. But the sides, again, I've reviewed Olivia in this glueless collection, and I kind of had the same issue with this glueless line. The sides don't really come down, and I was just feeling really defeated with this unit. But I mean, if you cover her up, you can't see it, but I put some bobby pins down there and then made some baby hairs and kind of made it work a little bit. But I don't really like baby hairs like that, but I feel like this unit, you absolutely need baby hairs. You need something to kind of conceal that lace a little bit, or you can go in with your hot comb. I also did go in with my hot comb and brush some of those baby hairs back, because I did see Body by Kira and she did that, and I was like, okay, that's cool. So I brushed a lot of these baby hairs back that came in the unit, as opposed to just like working with them or cutting them off. And I also did pluck out a little bit of this hairline to make it kind of look a little bit more realistic. But now, like, it is coming off a little bit orangey on camera. So I would recommend that you definitely, it's a lot of blending with this unit, but outside of that, she's gorgeous. Like, this is what she's looking like in the front, a little longer in the front. The sides, it's like inverted in the back. So the back is shorter and the front is longer, but gorgeous, gorgeous. I mean, now let's talk about the pros. All right, now the pros of this unit. I mean, first of all, it's Bobbi Boss. Like, she is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys can get over the cons of this unit and overcome that lace and accept the fact that the sides don't really come down, this unit is a total banger. I have the color NT4 yellow, and what? Honey, yes. I need that yellow. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. At first, when I pulled her out the pack, I was like, I don't know. But I'm over here feeling like Bumblebee from Transformers. Woo! I'm Bumblebee's girlfriend. That's who I am. This yellow is it. It's like really pretty. It kind of has a little bit of like, I want to say a little bit of like orangish brown streaks in it for dimension. This color is popping. So this definitely will make a statement if you get this color, but you don't have to get this color. It comes in a whole bunch of other colors. All right, guys, so I had stopped this video because I had noticed that I was having a cast with my ring light. I think that looks a lot better. Yeah, look at that. I think I fixed it. I think I fixed it, y'all. Oh. All right, so what I did is like I said, this lace takes a lot of blending. I went in with my spoolie. Well, this is the Juvia's Place foundation. I just have the color Katsina, but I like this one because Juvia's Place is a little creamier. So I just went in with a spoolie like this. And I just went in and kind of like brushed the lace a little bit. And I think that kind of really helped tint it out. Yeah, so I really think that kind of did it, guys. I think that kind of like helped because, you know, naturally you have like that shadow up there. Like I said, I did see Kyra Sean mention that she put on her makeup after. And because I put so much stuff on this, maybe my lace was just like, it was like, stop. This ain't working. But I don't think I see that shadow anymore on camera. And I think I'm happy because this lace takes a lot of work. I don't see that cast anymore. But I mean, you guys let me know if you're seeing it. But I think that kind of did it. Yes. Again, this comes in a lot of different colors. Again, this is the yellow. There are your natural colors, your 1Bs, your 2s, but this, I'm noticing that this particular one does have a lot of colors, like some Tropicana, some gold, some steel. So there's a lot of nice pretty colors in this line. Outside of the cons, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous, y'all. So I really like this unit. It's a winner for me. But again, if you're a beginner, this will not work for you. It will not. Stay away. There's plenty of other units out there with a lace that you can just buy, put on your head and go. This is a lot of work, but she's cute. She's cute. All right, guys. Until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Make sure you leave in the comments how you feel about Miss Mabel. And make sure you like, subscribe, comment. I'll talk to you later. Bye.